Today, a news source from Dubai has released 2 quick unboxing videos featuring the white and gray models of the Galaxy Buds 3. The only difference between the 2 versions is their color. Let's take a look. The videos confirm Samsung's switch to a stem-style design. Each stem features a prominent LED strip, and the videos offer a clearer view of the stem's angular design, which is clearly intended to distinguish it from Apple's design. The buyers shared several pictures of the earbuds, including the charging case and packaging, on Reddit. These pictures offer a high-resolution look at the new earbuds, showcasing their fancy blade lights. Naturally, with the earbuds being redesigned, the charging case has also received a makeover, and we find it quite stylish. According to the buyer, the base of the Buds 3 Pro is on the higher side, and the noise cancellation is comparable to the first-generation Apple AirPods Pro. However, this is just their personal opinion, and we will need to test the earbuds ourselves to determine their performance. When can you get your hands on the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro? In most markets, Samsung is expected to start taking pre-orders on July 10, the same day they are officially unveiled. Samsung might even offer the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pros free bundles with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Sales are expected to begin in the second half of this month, though a precise date hasn't been confirmed yet. If you're in the US, you can reserve a $50 credit to use towards purchasing Samsung's upcoming products at a discount. Samsung has confirmed that its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 10, aligning with the date our insiders previously leaked. Let's take a look. This year, in line with its goal to host Unpacked events in various cities and countries, Samsung has selected Paris as the venue. Samsung will take the stage 16 days before the opening ceremony of the 2024 Summer Olympics, making this one of the busiest Unpacked events ever. At this event, Samsung will unveil new flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, its first ever ultra smartwatch alongside the Galaxy Watch 7. The Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds, and the Galaxy Ring, its first-generation smart ring. Similar to the Galaxy S24 launch earlier this year, Samsung's press invite emphasizes Galaxy artificial intelligence. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 series will debut new artificial intelligence features, which Samsung plans to extend to older devices later on. Additionally, Galaxy artificial intelligence will be integrated into the company's wearable devices. In our view, the Galaxy Ring is expected to garner significant attention. Samsung offered the media a preview of the smart ring back in February, and now we'll have the opportunity for a closer look. Certainly, you'll soon have the opportunity to place orders for these devices. Samsung has already started accepting reservations, and signing up at this link will earn you a $50 Samsung credit that can be applied toward purchasing any of the upcoming devices. The event is scheduled to begin at 3 p.m. CEST, 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 6:30 p.m. AST. Samsung hasn't announced the exact sale dates for the new devices yet, but they are now accepting pre-reservations. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, you can sign up with your name and email address to receive a $50 credit. You can use this credit to purchase the upcoming devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Additionally, Samsung will automatically enter you into a sweepstakes contest. The winner will receive a substantial $5,000 credit, allowing them to acquire almost all of the devices without any cost. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.